Hi! Welcome to our series on cruising, where we will be sharing all the information about the different cruise port of calls all over the world. So your cruise is taking you to the beating heart of Western Japan, Osaka. We've got all the details, plus some crucial tips you need to help you make the most of your day ashore. Now you might have seen two different names on your itinerary or in your research, the Tempozan Passenger Terminal and the Osaka Nanko Cruise Terminal. Let's clear that up right away. They are the exact same place. Think of Tempozan as the neighborhood name and Nanko as the island it's on. Your ship will dock on Nanko Island, a man-made island in Osaka Bay, at the Osaka Port Tempozan Passenger Terminal. Do take note that the terminal is not right in the middle of the city. It's about a 20 to 30 minute drive from the major hubs like Namba and Umeda. Check the description below for the full address and useful links. All ships will be docked here, so there's no worries about long queues for tender boats to ferry passengers on and off the ship. The terminal itself is clean and modern. You'll typically find the basics you need right after you disembark: an information desk, restrooms, and some sitting areas. But the real advantage of this port is what's immediately outside. Unlike many industrial cruise ports, the Tempozan terminal is seamlessly integrated into a vibrant tourist area. Just steps away, you'll find the Tempozan Marketplace, a large shopping and dining complex. This is your go-to spot for last-minute souvenirs, a quick meal, or even a supermarket to grab bottled water or Japanese snacks. Here is the iconic giant Ferris wheel offering stunning views of the bay and the city. You will also find one of the largest and best public aquariums here, the Osaka Aquarium Kaiyukan. So if you have limited time or mobility, you can still have an amazing day without going far. But if you want to explore the city center, here's how to get there. Once off the ship, what are your transportation options to the city? Option 1, the subway. It's a short walk from the terminal to the Osaka Coast Station. From there, get onto the Cho subway line, which will whisk you right into the city center. The entire journey takes about 30 to 40 minutes. Option 2, taxi. Taxis are readily available at the terminal. They are more expensive than public transport, but if you are in a group of 3 or 4, splitting the fare can make it a convenient and time-efficient option. Option 3, cruise shuttle bus. This is often your easiest bet. Most cruise lines will offer a paid shuttle service that takes you directly to a central location like Namba. It's hassle-free and drops you right where you want to be. Highly recommended for a stress-free start. Alright, you're in the city, now what to do? Osaka is famous for its food, fun, and friendly people. You can't go wrong with these highlights. Dotonbori is the iconic Osaka you see in pictures. The neon lights, the massive animated signs like the Glico Running Man, and an incredible array of street food. Try the takoyaki and okonomiyaki here, it's a must experience. Or you can visit the Osaka Castle, a stunning historical landmark. The grounds and the exterior view are breathtaking and offer a great sense of Japanese history. The Shinsekai area is where you step back in time to the Osaka of the early 20th century. This retro district has a unique vibe and is the place to try kushikatsu, deep-fried skewered meats and vegetables. The Kuromon Ichiban Market, known as Osaka's Kitchen, is a feast for the senses. Sample fresh seafood, produce, and local snacks here. And here are some general tips to take note of while in Osaka. Number 1, cash is king, so please have plenty of Japanese yen. ATMs at 7-Eleven are foreign card friendly. Number 2, port time versus all aboard time. The Japanese public transport is famous for working like clockwork. But your cruise ship is even more punctual. The ship will not wait for you, so always build in a solid buffer for your return. Next, wear comfortable shoes as you will be walking a lot. Last but not least, public trash cans are rare in Japan, so carry a small bag for your personal trash. Japan has very strict custom laws. Here is what you absolutely cannot bring ashore from the ship. When carrying gold bullion or gold products exceeding 1 kg into Japan, please declare them at the customs. For the most current and complete list, always check the official customs website or with your cruise line before you disembark. Violations can result in heavy fines and arrest. When in doubt, declare it or don't bring it. So to recap, you are docking at the super convenient Tempozan Terminal with great facilities and immediate access to major attractions. Be mindful of custom laws, wear comfy shoes, bring cash, and get ready for an amazing day. We hope this guide helps you plan an unforgettable day in Osaka. If you found it useful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more port guides. Now we want to hear from you. Are you team Kaiyukan Aquarium or team Dotonbori street food? Please let us know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next port. Bye for now.